video I'm going to go over where all the screws fit in, and what you're going to have is you're going to have 5 of these black screws, and I believe they go here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there are 2 larger holes for these larger screws over here, and then you have the 4 pesky ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're sort of blue silverish looking. Now, those of you who follow my videos know that I'm super unlucky, so right now what you see is 4 of these, but one of mine is still stuck in there and I'm going to have to get it out. So the 4th that you see is actually one of the ones that go in here. So the ones that are in here, there's going to be one here and one underneath on the opposite side. Those are also the same kind of screw. So overall, to finish off, you're going to have 6 of these. Even though you only see 4, there's going to be 6 of those. 5 of these and 2 of those to be removed from the bottom. Hope this helps you in your teardowns, and see you in the next video.